Hey, welcome back. I'm going to clean this corner right here. Okay, let's get to it. Where's my barrel? Let's see, I'll go up here first. I think these are fine. Yeah, these are just mats. I use them in case I have any furniture I don't want to damage. So these are okay. And I have an unrelated basket, which is garden stuff, but I'm going to go through it anyways. Make sure pairs are together. This one's good. Oops. This is not. Okay. These are good. Eesh. This is Velcro for the plants. Let's see, these are. So I have all this because I use it for the tomato plants and stuff. So, okay, this one is this one. Oh, I see this one. I'm not sure about that one. Okay. Oh, this is another good pair. This has liner in it, so you can use it when it's cold out. That's a good idea. And these are all stuck together. These are still working. Now I have my dirty rags and my clean rags. Let's just go through them anyways. It's nice if I cut these in half. These are going in the house to get washed. I put my brushes in there too. Let's see what we got. This can go downstairs. This can go downstairs. Downstairs. I have the garden stuff downstairs in the house. I know, I have a bendable soft brush. Oops. And I have a firm brush. Depends on what I'm sweeping. These are garden things. They can go outside. Axe can go in the toolbox. Choo, choo, choo. Oops. Nice and neat, just the way I like it. All right, that's it for that corner. Hope you like this video. Stick around. I'm going to work my way around the shop. I'm the lady with the hammer. Don't forget to subscribe. Hit that like button, and you can hit the notification bell if you want to be notified of my videos. And yeah, have a blessed day. Enjoy the warm weather. Bye now.